I'm Tom Beato with the DuPont Building Knowledge Center Group. I'm here in our testing facility to show you our newest innovation, DuPont FlexWrap EZ, to help you on your next project. We know that small air leaks can add up to huge energy costs over time. That's why sealing the various penetrations in a building is a critical step to sealing the building envelope during construction. We also know that properly managing water is important to improving a home or building's durability.
Therefore, a fast and easy solution to help improve energy efficiency and improve the durability of a wall system is to install DuPont FlexWrap EZ flashing around the many smaller electrical, HVAC, and plumbing penetrations on a wall. DuPont FlexWrap EZ has a unique, flexible design that creates an air and watertight seal around penetrations of all different shapes and sizes, especially those smaller penetrations which are so difficult to seal. Its superior durability helps reduce the chance of air and water leaks over time in residential, multifamily, and commercial structures. DuPont FlexWrap EZ is highly versatile and can easily seal around small and large pipes, HVAC components, dryer vents, exhaust fans, electrical wires and boxes, exterior electrical outlets, as well as lights and gas lines. Simply measure the exact amount of material you need to fit the specific size of the penetration. Its 100% butyl adhesive results in a durable, long-lasting seal, while the split release liner helps for a quick installation and instant solution. DuPont FlexWrap EZ is a unique, affordable flashing solution for sealing different types and sizes of penetrations, allowing you to use only one product on an entire job. It eliminates the need to carry multiple sizes of products for the many different size penetrations found on a home or building's wall.
Backed by the trusted quality found in all DuPont Tyvek products, DuPont FlexWrap EZ is a quick and simple solution for improving the durability and energy efficiency of your next project. Visit our website at flexwrapez.dupont.com to learn more.